Olivet's 127 years old, originally consecrated by Bishop Matchbuck, the first bishop of Denver in 1892. When I first arrived, it was quite obvious that we had some significant issues with our irrigation system, and it had been, kind of headed in the wrong direction for a couple years. What I wanted to happen was when somebody drove through our front gate that they understood that they were at a place where people cared and that it was sacred. And you can't do that if the grass is dying and if there's weeds and if things aren't kept up. Our primary importance is so folks understand when they come here that there are people that care, that understand the significance of the lives that have been lived, and that take care of the folks that are buried here appropriately. We weren't doing that.
So the Mount Olivet project was a complete redo of the irrigation system. The irrigation system was kind of archaic, if you will. The goal was to come in, design a state-of-the-art system that was fully functional through computers, and get the grounds looking as beautiful as they are today. We do all the lawn care here for the cemetery in the Archdiocese, which includes mowing, string trimming, fertilization, some water management. Any sort of arborist or tree needs we will take care of.
And so our collaboration with BrightView in that regard has been critically important. That was the primary goal.
So the biggest challenge in this cemetery project was logistics. There are multiple burials and memorial services every day that we have to work around, and we would move our staff around accordingly to make sure that we respectfully did not interrupt those services at the time. Those were a few things we did to respect the cemetery.
I can only speak for what we've gone through with BrightView here, and it's been a pleasure to work with them throughout the process. They helped us transform something that was not carrying out our mission into something that exceeds expectations.
What we did is turn it into basically a beautiful sanctuary over the last 3 years.
You look around and it's gorgeous. When people come through the front gate, it's beautiful. And that's the goal. Now, our revenue generation has improved significantly, so that combination of things has grown our revenue in the area of about 15% a year over the last 3 years, so it's been critically important. I get multiple people saying that not only is it back to where it was, but it's never looked this good.
And I think myself, the Archdiocese, and everyone else that travels now throughout this area thinks this place is absolutely beautiful.
They've been partners with us, every step along the way, and have led to a transformation. And those are big words, and I don't take them lightly, but that's the truth. We've transformed the grounds to a place that represents the significance of what it means when somebody trusts their loved one in our care.